earth, sky, sea, and land, black and white. The ancient dance of yin and yang. Join me for 10 minutes of Tai Chi. Sinking the Chi. The arms float out to the outside, rise up into the air, where the fingers drift back together and the palms turn down, and the energy is guided back down to the earth. One foot steps out to the side, separating into yin and yang, rising up from the earth, then rejoining it by the whole body sinking down, opening the door. Breathe in deeply as you rise, and breathe out, and let everything go and melt on down. Inhale, float. Exhale, reconnect to the earth. Floating back up, the arms round out. Inhale and open. Then place one hand on top of a big round ball and once again reconnect to the earth. Separating, then joining. This too is the dance of yin and yang. Drifting apart, but opening yourself up as you do so, and then coming back together and reconnecting. Breathe in, breathe out. Embracing the movement. Fingertips drifting back together in a wide step. Reach down into the earth, pulling up goodness from the earth like a farmer planting in his garden, reaching down to tend to his garden, pulling up the weeds, reaching up to the heavens to call down the rain and the sunshine, and then reaching down to gather up the harvest. Now once the harvest is gathered, he offers it back up to the sky, reconnecting again through the body, the earth, and the sky. Again, the breath is the link. Breathing in as you rise and reach, breathing out as you circle down. And then float back up, the arms round out, inhale and open, and then with one hand on top, once again, hold the ball and settle, turn, lunge in one direction, reaching out the two hands, palm over palm, carrying a ball of energy. The pearl of immortality is what the ancients used to call the energy that exists between the palms of your hands. And holding it like a giant pearl, circle, spiral, circulate, turning, then returning. And this again is the dance of yin and yang. Reversing direction, circle, reach, the body turns, sit back, circulate, and reach out. Then come back to center. Circle one more time. And the fingertips form a big hugging shape. Inhale and open. Reverse the circle, the other hand on top. Settle down and turn. holding the pearl of immortality between the palms of your hands. Turn the body. Breathing in as you withdraw, breathing out as you extend. Once again, reverse direction, circling around, reaching out, carrying the ball of life, the literal ball of energy of life, around and around. And then once again, the hands turn, rounding out in front of you. Step in to your original position. Inhale and open. The fingertips come drifting back together. Palms turning, hands floating back down by your sides. And once again, sink the chi. Gather into the center, palms turn down, press down into the earth. Now once again, the hands drift out in front. Round out, inhale and open. Then one hand scoops under to hold the ball again. Step in, then step out. Toss the ball away. Parting the wild mane of the neck of the horse. Gathering all the energy up, then brushing it aside. Sit back, roll back, gather the energy, and then extend it out. One hand reaching, one hand staying behind. Sit back, turn the body, step in with the other foot, and once again hold the ball. Step out and toss. As you sit back, breathe in, smelling the salt air of the sea and the land, another pair of yin and yang. As you reach out to the sea, however, one hand stays touching the earth. Breathe in, gather in, then reach out to the ocean, but touch the ground at the same time. Sit back, float across horizontally, then step in again, holding the ball, step out, this time 2 times, parting the mane, as once, and here is twice. This time as you roll back, step in, gathering the ball. The 2 hands toss over the shoulder. Step out and bring both hands down low. The monk chops wood. Gather in. Reach over the shoulder. Step out and chop the wood. One more time. Inhale as you reach over the shoulder. Exhale as you step out and chop. And one hand scoops underneath the other, rises, floats horizontally across, and round and under, scooping in to hold the ball. Step out and 2 times, toss the ball away, reach out to the sea, part the mane on the horse's neck. And this time as you roll back, step in, catching the ball with one hand on top. Reach over your shoulder, then step out and everything comes down low. Again, connecting earth and sky. Gather, reach, step, bring it down. And then one hand scoops under, circles around in a big double spiral motion. Step in, step out and toss away. Now, this time, circle around, toss out, then sit back, touching fingertips to wrist and turn the body. Both hands float overhead, step in, then step out, flaring the cape. The dance goes like this. Sit back and turn. Feet come in, feet go out. And this also is the dance of yin and yang. Sit back, the fingertips to the wrist, and circle around, over the top, step in, step out. The two hands push. Then circle around, but come back to center, parting the mane 2 more times. Once, twice, then scoop under, and in a double spiral, come back to your starting point. Inhale and open. The fingertips come back together, the hands flatten. Float down. One foot returns to the other. And the two hands give thanks.